How to automatically share your Instagram post, story, reels to your Facebook account. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Static Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can sync and share all your Instagram post, story and reels directly to your Facebook account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. But so not to do that, first thing first, simply go and open up the Instagram application from your Android or iPhone, and from the home page, go ahead and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right, and then simply go and tap on this three horizontal line at the top right. And once you're here inside the settings and activity, you just need to scroll down a little bit, and under the who can see your content, you'll get to see the option called cross posting. You just need to tap on this one, and under the cross posting you'll get to see share to a Facebook account. So here it's showing my Facebook account, so be sure to link your Facebook account with your Instagram account. And once you're here, you just need to tap on your Facebook profile right over here, the account center. And once you're here inside this one, you'll get to see the sharing across profiles. So here it's showing your Instagram account and the Facebook account. Share to the Facebook account, you just need to enable the post if you want to share the post automatically to your Facebook account. And if you want to share your Instagram story, you can enable the story from here as well. And also you can share your reels by setup. You can set up this information first, and now you'll get to see my Instagram post, story and reels will be automatically shared to my Facebook account. And this is how you can automatically share your Instagram post, story and reels to your Facebook account. Hope you find it pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.